Right now, we're gonna walk you through a 2022 base model Hawk. Hawk model means that it's gonna be for a 6.5 foot bed, full-size truck. So that'll fit your Tundra with a 6.5 foot bed, Ford F-150, F-250, Chevy 25 and 3500, the 1500s, and the Dodge Ram platform as well. Other trucks could potentially fit, but just hit us up and we can let you know on fitment. We can see that this has the rear wall steps. We've got the rear floodlights, exterior FIAMMA awning, hard shell awning, cranks out to 8 feet, full-size passenger side window. Since this is a Hawk model with a rollover couch, so we can see that unit. That's a 50% slider window. Moving around to the interior, we can see that this has the rollover couch layout. Roll that over into a bed. That creates a full kind of sleeping area down below. Also great for stealth camping. When the top's down, you can crawl in the back here and still sleep without having to pop the top. Rolling into a rest stop or parked in the city somewhere, you can sneak in here and as long as you got the curtains drawn, nobody knows you're in there. So we can see we've got the rollover couch down below. We've got a pull-out king-size bed up top with 4 additional cushions that fill in the gap there. So you could really sleep a full family in this thing pretty easily. It's a great little setup. I love the base models because you've got so much room in them for your gear, for people to hang out. Really simple. You don't have to winterize them because there's no water system. Simple camper with a heater in here and you're ready to go camping at the ski slip. Underneath the couch, you have storage down below. So plenty of room for gear. On the driver's side rear corner here, we have our 2 10-gallon propane tanks down below. We have our battery box. We have our forced air furnace. That is a propane furnace. And we have our 2-burner stove up top. We also have our solar charge controller. So this has a solar panel on the roof. It's all wired in. So charging those batteries, your lights, and your 12-volt outlets in the back here. There's plenty of battery power for other accessories if you're plugging in. Let's climb inside and we can check out the inside of the camper. Okay, so now we're inside this Hawk base model. We can see that this is a rollover couch. Storage compartments on the driver's side for a little bit of gear. We've got an electrical panel in there as well. Turnbuckle access ports down below. We can see our forced air furnace. We can see our battery box, our 12-volt outlets and receptacles here, and our solar charge controller. And we have our stove. Both the furnace and the stove are running off propane. We can see the bed rails here, so this pulls out to a king size. Like I said, we have additional cushions that fill in the gap there. This has the thermal liner, so additional thermal liner that Velcros in for a little more insulation inside the camper. And we have 2 power roof end fans. So multi-directional fans, you can have one pulling air in, one exhausting it out. So you can get a lot of air moving through this camper with the screen door, 50% slider window here. Also our pop-up windows as well. So you can really move some air through these things in the summertime. And in the wintertime, you've got that extra layer of insulation. You've got the forced air furnace. So again, sleep 2 down below. You can probably sleep 3, maybe even 4, you know, a family with some small kids up top. So you can really pack it in here. Additional cushions from the bed can be thrown down below here for additional kind of seating cushioning for both sides. So you can kind of really have a hangout area when it's cold outside or it's raining outside and you've got a nice cozy place to hang out with the furnace cooking. Honestly, this is kind of how we like to spec our base models for our showroom, because a couch, a furnace, a stove, you know, and a couple other features are all you really need to be off and running and camping and really enjoying a 4-wheel camper out in the wild. So check it out on our website at mainlineoverland.com. You can check out the current listing price, and I think this thing's gonna move pretty quickly.